How to remove someone from shared list on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating, open up Instagram on a device. Now on the home page, find any post you want to share. Tap on the send icon. Now select the person you want to remove. Now tap on send. Now go to message at the top right corner. Now open up the message. Now tap on the person profile at the top left corner. Now tap on three dots. Now simply tap on restrict and tap on restrict. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.